Welcome to Projects Under Control, an introduction to Earned Value Management, or EVM. In this session, we'll explore how to keep your projects on track. Are your projects constantly exceeding budget or missing deadlines? The solution is integrated control through Earned Value Management. EVM is crucial in any industry with complex or long-term projects. Let's see some of the specific areas. It's essential for managing the unexpected. We'll focus on three key dimensions of control in EVM. These are PV, AC, and EV. Now let's look at how we measure variances. We will be exploring schedule variance and cost variance. Performance indexes tell us how efficient we are. We'll cover SPI and CPI. Forecasting is key to predicting project outcomes. We'll talk about BAC, EAC, and VAC. Let's put this all into practice with a simple calculation. We will be walking through a website development case study. Now it's your turn to try a problem on your own. Try your hand at calculating in this mobile app development scenario. What do these numbers really mean for your project? EVM enables us to see problems earlier and take the correct steps. EVM offers several key benefits for project control. It allows for early detection of issues, provides data-driven insight, and allows for educated adjustments. Time to try a personal project and make your own EVM calculations. Choose a task, estimate your budget and time frame, then calculate your metrics.